Show me your daily healthy habits.
Well, I wake up at dawn and go exercise. For lunch, I make a healthy meal. After lunch, I hike with my cat Simon. For dinner, I mainly cook with plant-based proteins. On occasional nights where I want to support a restful night's sleep, I take one Nature Made Sleep Longer tablet 1 hour before bed. This helps calm my mind, fall asleep faster, and stay asleep longer, all in one tablet.
So go to naturemade.com to learn more. Come on, Simon, let's go.